6 people, including 4 women, have died and 11 others injured when a Mahindra pickup truck they were traveling in fell into a deep gorge near Rabung village in East Mizoram's Gorge district. Rabung is about 180 km from state capital Aizawl on Monday, an official said. Gorge Deputy Commissioner C.C. Lalchongkima, who visited the spot yesterday, said that the incident occurred at around 9:35 a.m. when the victims were heading from their village Aizawl towards Rabung to attend a funeral. Their vehicle met with an accident and fell into a gorge on the outskirts of Rabung, about 1 kilometer away from the village, he said. He said that at least 20 people from Aizawl village have boarded the vehicle. 3 of the injured were discharged after first aid, while 8 others were referred to Aizawl and they were out of danger, he said. Police said that the cause of the accident is believed to be caused by brake failure. Quoting a passenger, Gorge SP Lalchonglura said that the wheels of the vehicle were extremely shaken before it fell into the gorge, he said. Meanwhile, Lalchongkima offered condolences to the bereaved families and gave monetary assistance to the injured people.